'Twas on a Sunday morning fair. The sun was bright, the sky was clear. Three pals of mine, they did appear, and said, walk young to Aikie. Says I'll be there, never fear, and I'll stand you a bottle of beer. For I'm selling a clip on the Old Grey Mere on Wednesday first at Aikie Bray. For at Aikie Bray, Aikie Bray, there's been a horse market for monies a day. But listen and hear fit I hate to say, oh, the day we get to Aikie. Says Jock, man Tom, we come the day to take you over to Aikie Bray. On Wednesday we may be far away, say this day we'll gang to Aikie. They wouldna hear o' nae denial, say I shifted my clays and I scraped my dial, and I clarted my heat wi' the laddies' hair isle, and awa we get to Aikie Bray. So to Aikie Bray, Aikie Bray, off we set on the Sabbath day. The 6th we saw nearly turn my hair grey, on the day we get to Aikie. There was motor cars and charabancs, day cars, gigs and caravans, old folks and 40s and bairnies and prams, on the road to Aikie. And fun we landed at the Bray. I stood and glowered in great dismay. I said, is this really the Sabbath day, on the day we get to Aikie Bray? At Aikie Bray, Aikie Bray, there was Scots for henna and Scots for hay. The soon was a nucht to put hens off their lay, on the day we get to Aikie. An evangelist singing out happy day stood next to a fiddler playing clean peace stray, while Basham the bruiser yelled, step this way, on the day we get to Aikie. Cheap Johns and quack doctors and grand array were doing a roaring trade that day. I may be old-fashioned, but still I would say fit wise to allude on the Sabbath day. Aikie Bray, Aikie Bray, my lugs they kept risen for monies a day. I'll gang back to the market, but on a weekday, if I ever gang to